Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live on this Thursday night in the 6 o'clock hour. I got to tell you, it is windy, it is cold, it's been very icy for travelers today, but we really dodged a snow bullet with this system. Not a lot of snow with it, but boy, the wind was strong. We had 2 tornadoes for the first time in the month of December in Minnesota. And as we take a look at our wind, finally tapering off for most, a few gusts out there to the east, upwards of 20 to 25 miles per hour, and that's causing some chilly temperatures and wind chills. Notice the trend. Snow is exiting east into the northern Great Lakes. We do have clearing across central and parts of eastern North Dakota now, and that's pushing into southern Minnesota as well. Clearing, calming, and it looks cold. We'll have details on that here in a moment. Now, right now, with the wind, not a lot of that snow blowing around anymore as it's tapering off. We didn't get a lot of snow, but what snow we did sure did blow around. And reduced visibilities out towards Brainerd and out towards the Arrowhead of Minnesota north of Duluth, where they got a lot of rain first, and then that rain flash freeze when temperatures like this hit our sidewalks, roads, and windshields. One above right now in Devil's Lake. Here's that 0-degree line, sub-zero air to the left of that. And the warmest weather still not far from 20 for you in Sisseton and Grand Forks right now, 5 whole degrees. And factor in those winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour sustained, and we have wind chills between 10 and 20 below. Make sure you put that survival kit in the back of your car. You don't want to get stranded with temperatures like that, or even have to change a tire for that matter. Right now in the Fargo-Moorhead area, it's still breezy from the west at 10 miles per hour, a few gusts at times, 7 at both Moorhead and at Hector. 4:39, the time of the sunset tonight. Hour by hour forecast. The wind arrows, they go away. The clouds, they go away. By 10 o'clock, we'll have clear skies and temperatures that will be sneaking down to near zero for many of us already. And then as we go through the overnight, sub-zero air temperatures. Increasing clouds out to the west by morning will limit your cooling there closer to zero. But on a line from the Devil's Lake Basin and then the I-94 corridor here in points north, I expect to see several of us below zero. Now, we may see 5 to 10 below in a couple of places, I believe, in northwest Minnesota that got just a touch more of that snowfall from the last system. But by morning, the clouds building in from the west will bring snow spreading. See that down near the South Dakota border? So our border counties by midday could see some snow. There'll be some development of snow as well in the central Dakotas. And by the drive time home, there could actually be some accumulation down in the Sisseton Hills spreading into Lakes Country. And then this band will be heading east and south as we go through the evening as well. Temperatures will be cool tomorrow. It does not look like this snow comes with much wind, but because of these temperatures, there'll be the light fluffy flakes and those accumulate faster. So we could see more inches of snow for many of our southern counties than we saw with the big historic storm system. Temperatures in the afternoon will generally be in those single digits and teens for most of us. Best chance at accumulating snow south of I-94, where you see the deeper blue shades and the dark blue shades here, well, up to around 3 inches down there. I think we get a trace to maybe even an inch or so more here in the FM area. We'll keep you posted on that. But first and foremost, tonight, the temperatures dip down. We'll be 1 below as we start the 6 o'clock in the morning hour. Then rising into the teens. Can't rule out some flurries of snow here in the Fargo area. Don't think it'll do much more than make the roads a little on the greasy side. We may indeed get an inch, and because it's fluffy, it might even be a little more than that. Teresa here sharing the Spirit Lake Sundog shot here, and a beauty it is. Thanks a lot. Now look at this cold forecast. Take a look at this. Whoo! 9, the high on Saturday. Look at that balmy day on Sunday. Break out the flip. Now, never mind that. It's going to be cold still, but at least, well, close to average. Teens next week, single digits near zero, at or just below. Look at that winter sign there on Tuesday. That is December the 21st. That is the solstice. That is the day with the least amount of sunshine. The good news there is, you guys, guess is what?
It means that we're going to be getting more sunshine as each day goes on.
Nailed it.
Absolutely, like a carpenter.